The moment you stop questioning whether your dreams are possible, your energy begins to change. Doubt weakens your direction, but belief strengthens it. The mind is powerful, and whatever image you continuously hold inside yourself slowly begins shaping the reality around you. When you focus on fear, uncertainty grows. But when you focus on possibility, opportunities begin appearing in places you never noticed before. So do not abandon the vision living inside your heart. If you can clearly imagine the life you desire, the peace, the success, the freedom, the happiness, then protect that image with confidence. Do not let temporary silence convince you that nothing is happening. Just because you cannot see movement does not mean progress has stopped. Many of the greatest changes in life happen quietly at first. Seeds grow underground long before anyone sees a tree. In the same way, your future may already be forming in ways your eyes cannot yet recognize. Every hopeful thought, every moment of faith, every step you take with belief is building momentum behind the scenes. People often lose hope too early because they expect instant proof. They want immediate results, instant signs, and visible confirmation. But life does not always work that way. Sometimes the biggest blessings require patience before they arrive. Delays do not always mean rejection. In many cases, they are simply preparation. Timing matters, growth matters, alignment matters. Keep reminding yourself that your journey is unfolding even during the quiet moments. What feels like stillness may actually be a period of positioning. Doors may be opening where you cannot yet see them. Conversations may be happening that eventually lead to your breakthrough. Situations may already be shifting in your favor without your awareness. This is why your mindset matters so much. Your thoughts are not meaningless. The energy you repeatedly feel becomes the energy you live inside. If you constantly expect failure, your spirit becomes heavy and fearful. But if you continue believing in what is possible, you train yourself to recognize opportunities instead of obstacles. Walk with confidence before the results appear. Speak about your future with certainty even when others doubt you. Continue preparing yourself as if the life you desire is already on its way. Because the person you become while waiting is just as important as the dream itself. Too many people give up because reality becomes quiet for a while. They mistake silence for defeat. But silence is not the end of the story. Sometimes life becomes silent right before everything changes. Sometimes your breakthrough is closer than you think, but impatience convinces you to stop too soon. Stay connected to your vision, no matter what your current situation looks like. Do not allow temporary setbacks to destroy permanent dreams. The future belongs to those who remain faithful even when the path feels uncertain. Strength is built when you continue believing without immediate evidence. There is something powerful about refusing to let fear control your imagination. Most people imagine the worst. They replay problems, failures, and disappointments in their minds every day. But imagine if you trained yourself to focus on the best instead. Imagine waking up each morning expecting growth, opportunities, love, and success to enter your life. That shift alone changes the way you move through the world. The energy you carry affects your decisions, your confidence, your persistence, and your actions. Belief creates movement, hope creates endurance, vision creates direction. When your heart truly accepts that some good is possible, you begin acting differently. You become more focused, more patient, and more determined. Do not stop visualizing the future you desire simply because the present moment feels slow. Great things often take time to fully appear. Keep nurturing your dream with faith. Keep speaking life into your future. Keep showing up every day with trust in the process. Your story is still unfolding. What you are praying for may already be making its way to greet you. What you have been imagining with deep emotion and unwavering belief has not disappeared. The universe responds to clarity, persistence, and conviction. Strong belief sends a powerful message. So hold the vision, protect your mindset, continue moving forward with confidence, even when you cannot yet see the full picture. The life you keep seeing in your heart is not there by accident. Your dreams were given to you for a reason. And one day, the things you once imagined in silence will become the reality you are living in full color.